Hi, I'm Angie Rito.
And I'm Scott Tacinelli.
And we're the husband and wife chef team from Don Angie in the West Village of New York City. Today we are at our apartment in Brooklyn and we are going to be preparing our twist on an Italian-American classic, pasta fagioli.
We're lucky to work together and to have a restaurant together, and we're also lucky during this time to be stuck together. So we're sharing this dish with each other today.
We're going to start this off with some olive oil, black-eyed peas. We're also going to be using a short pasta for this. Our favorite one is ditalini.
It's like a baby ziti type.
Yeah, so some lacinato kale, some bacon. You can use pancetta instead. It's totally up to you.
We're going to use about 1 whole bulb of garlic. Have some scallions, the zest and the juice of 1 whole lemon, ground black pepper, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. And then lastly, use some chicken stock.
All right, so let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with half of my olive oil, and I'm gonna add in my bacon. So basically, once this starts to heat up, the bacon is gonna start to render, and it's basically gonna release all of its fat, and it's gonna kind of like mix with the olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add my spices in here. I'm gonna start with the garlic. I'm gonna add my salt. Salt helps release the moisture from the garlic as well, so it's gonna help it sort of just like moves along the cooking process. So Scott's gonna add the scallion whites. We're gonna reserve the greens and put those in the very end. Now I'm ready for the greens. I'm gonna let these do their thing. They're really like releasing a lot of liquid right now. Again, this is lacinato kale, so it's like a pretty fibrous, like hearty kale. But we can go ahead and add our lemon zest.
The best way to zest the lemon, I think, is to hold it like this in one hand, and then take the zester and go on the top.
So now Scott's gonna juice the lemon. We're gonna add that in as well. All right, so we're gonna add in my beans. And we're gonna add the chicken stock. So now we're gonna bring this up to a boil. As soon as it's boiling, we're gonna add in our pasta. So now we're boiling. We're gonna add all the ditalini. So now we're gonna add in, I don't know, like half of our cheese. So now we're ready for the best part, which is plating this and eating it. We like to finish it with a little bit more olive oil. So this is like my remaining olive oil here. A little bit more black pepper. And then I'm gonna finish it with more cheese and my fresh scallion greens. And that's it. Now it's ready to be enjoyed. You wanna try it?
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching us today, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.